Here I'm going to show you how to use the idle app that gets installed when you install Python on your PC or Mac. I'm going to be using a PC here. I'm on Windows 11, and it's very similar on the Mac. I can give you the idea. No matter where you install Python, you're going to have a separate application or app called idle, and it's all caps, and it's IDLE. So that's the app, and this is a very simple app we use to run Python statements on our computer. So we can approach this one of two ways. You can't see it down here, but I'm clicking the start area of my computer on the Windows 11, and I want to find the idle app. So I'm going to do IDLE, and it fills in for you. It shows here the version Python 3.13. We can use just about any version of Python here as long as it's Python 3 and greater. It's best to just kind of go with whatever the current version is. Since this is an introductory class, we're not going to be pushing the ends of real advanced capabilities of Python. So just about everything you need there will be there and most later versions of Python. So I'm just going to hit the enter key here, and it fires up the app here. Okay, I'm going to position it into the window better. Okay, there we go. And so this is not going to do anything by itself. I can run a program that I wrote in one of two ways. So the first way, I'm going to do it kind of the long way here. I go to File and I say Open. And now I'm going to navigate to, where do we want to go here? I'm going to navigate to my C drive somewhere here and go to Python course. And I've written a very short Python program called test idle. So I'm going to click on it and then open it up over here. And what it does is it opens up another window. And again, I'll resize this. And it just has a print statement. And this print statement will put this message out on the output window if I run this successfully. So I'm in idle now. It says testidle.py, and all of our Python programs are going to have a .py extension. It's going to be required for almost always. So the best way to run this in idle or from idle is to hit the run menu item over here, and there'll be a run module selection here. So let's click that, and it says, hey, idle ran this code. So it put out the message that I had typed in the print statement, and it shows you here where it ran from, the Python course directory and testidle.py. I'm going to show you a shortcut that should work for most of you. Let me switch back over to the File Explorer. If we come over here, you can see I'm in File Explorer on Windows. In a Macintosh, you use a Finder to get to your app. So usually when you install Python, it should associate the .py extension with the idle app. It'll probably do that automatically. Okay, and if it does, I can just go here and I can double click on this program, and it will bring it up automatically in the idle app. I didn't have to go through that file open routine. So once I have it here, once again, I can run it, and it'll show me idle ran this code, and it puts it in there. All right, so that's just a very basic idea on how to use idle to run Python code, and we will go ahead and show you how to run true Python code as we move on here.